Okay, it's recording.
Now the 8 most wanted men in America. Television's most inventive and exciting show returns with an all-new season. Prison Break. Fox presents the season's first cool thriller. The Jack Bauer would be proud. In the blink of an eye, the wife of the United States Senator will vanish. That's a fast one. Taking her away. Now, a centuries-old conspiracy will be uncovered. She's done this before.
12 years ago.
Do whatever it takes to get my wife back. Vanished after Prison Break, beginning at 8, 7 Central tomorrow on Fox.
We're back. And before we go on, I just want to thank the lovely Jessica Alba for posing for this body cast. Very sweet. I'm glad you did that, Jess. Thanks for being a part of that. And I also want to thank Nicole Richie for posing for this microphone. Good morning. All right. You've seen these handsome kids handing out these surfboards all night, and they were selected through the Teen Choice Casting Call Contest presented by J.C. Penney, or as I like to call it, the Look Hot and Hand Out Teen Choice Surfboard Contest. So say hello to 15-year-old Erica Pekowski from Plainfield, Illinois, and